trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. You probably looked down your radiator cap, right? Yeah. You see, flushing and maintaining a clean cooling system is overlooked by most vehicle owners. We're all guilty of it. Now, this routine maintenance is crucial to keep your engine's temperature at normal and safe operating levels. BlueDevil Radiator Flush restores efficiency to any vehicle by helping remove grease, rust, grime, and any other buildup that occurs during normal everyday use. This specially formulated coolant flush works well in all vehicles, especially those with high mileage. Flushing your cooling system with BlueDevil Radiator Flush will impact your vehicle's performance, extend the life of your car, and keep your car running smooth. Hey, do yourself a favor, don't overlook such an important routine and start flushing your cooling system with BlueDevil Radiator Flush today. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.